Okay, welcome to another edition of Lion News. Lion News can be found at lionnews00.blogspot.com. Alright, just want to announce that the latest edition of Lion News, issue number 5, is on the website. I'm just going to show you how to find where Lion News issue 5 is. If you go to the blog archive here and look under 2010 May, you will find right here, Lion News, the online edition. Feel free to copy and distribute. Okay, if you click on that link, you'll come to this page right here. All right, Lion News, the online edition. Feel free to copy and distribute. Okay, and here's issue number 5. Okay, there's page 1, and there's page 2. Okay, if you click on page 1, you're going to get something looks like this. Okay, we're just going to increase it a little bit so you can see it. All right, and here it is, Lion News, a local grassroots media. By long forbearing is a prince persuaded, and a soft tongue breaketh the bone. Proverbs 25:15. Okay, I made this up right after my September 23rd kangaroo court hearing. Okay, and what is this about? Well, it's about the scandal at the Pope County attorney is caught tampering with and withholding evidence in malicious prosecution in Nemmers. An embarrassing confession was made by the lawless Pope County Attorney's Office in a September 23, 2011 omnibus hearing for the malicious arrest of Terry Dean Nemmers of Glenwood. Assistant County Attorney Todd Roth had to acknowledge that the names of various individuals were not provided to Nemmers. Now that's referring to both cases, my malicious arrest of July 6th and September 7th. All right. Nemmers' standby counsel, Jeff Worthless as Tits on a Boar Coon, stated on the record that a discovery request had been submitted to Neil Nelson, the lawless Pope County attorney. Coon's request for evidence that would provide Nemmers' innocence can be seen on page 2. Nemmers was maliciously arrested, a crime pursuant to Minnesota Statute 629.402, arrest without authority, on July 6, 2011, at the lawless Pope County Sheriff's Department for engaging in the legal acts of filing and filming a criminal complaint. The state's malicious case suffered another devastating blow when Roth admitted that Nemmers' actions in the secured facility were completely legal. Nemmers has clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence that video from his camera was illegally seized, that was illegally seized has been tampered with. Nemmers' evidence can be found on page 2. Phone calls to Nelson's office were recorded and uploaded to Nemmers' YouTube channel, Arrested Judge Kit. Nemmers says that the exposure from the YouTubers forced Nelson to grudgingly produce a brand new disc. Nemmers has been aided by a journalist who was a former assistant state's attorney and a former lawyer, Christopher King of KingCast.net and KingCast65 at YouTube. Nemmers and King's phone calls in September forced Nelson to release a suppressed video from the sheriff's internal cameras. The video was mentioned in a July 7, 2011 probable cause statement. The July 12, 2011 discovery request included this suppressed video. Then we have the definition of spoliation. A spoliator of evidence in a legal action is an individual who neglects to produce evidence that is in her possession or control. In such a situation, any inferences that might be drawn against the party are permitted, and the withholding of the evidence is attributed to the person's presumed knowledge that would have served to operate against her. West Encyclopedia of American Law, edition 2, copyright 2008. Okay, then it gives the definitions of malicious arrest and malicious prosecution. Malicious arrest. Arrest of a person without probable cause during the proceeding. Webster's Encyclopedia of Dictionaries, New American Edition, Law Dictionary, page 978. Malicious prosecution. Instigation of legal proceedings without probable cause. Okay, same reference. Okay, here's page 2. Okay, and these are video or pictures from the disc which show that video number 4 and video number 8 have been tampered with. And it gives an error message here. Windows Media Player cannot play the file. The player might not support the file type, or required codecs might not be installed on your computer. Okay? And then it gives the from a thesaurus, these are the different synonymous terms for tampering. Tamper, verb, part of speech. Definition, interfere or alter. Antonyms, which means the opposite, leave alone. Okay? Synonymous, busybody, butt in, change, cook, cut, damage, destroy, diversify, doctor, fiddle, fiddle with, fool, horn in, interlope, interpose, intrude, irrigate, manipulate, meddle, mess around with, monkey around, muck about, phony up, plant, poke, nose into, spike, tinker, vary water, or vary and water. Okay? Then here is the July 12, 2011 discovery request from Jeff, worthless as tits on a boar, Coon. Okay, you can see this is a cut off of his paper. Okay. Here's a quote from Nemmers. I knew that lawless Pope County attorney wants this malicious prosecution to go to trial. So I asked the lawless assistant Pope County attorney in the September 23rd hearing if he would object to having this malicious trial video taped. In Minnesota, trials can be videotaped if both parties agree. Roth said he didn't want the trial video taped. It is understandable why Roth and Nelson wouldn't want this malicious prosecution videotaped. I have clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence that evidence has been tampered with, evidence has been withheld, witness statements have not been taken by the Sheriff's Department, and proof that the case is just retaliation for exposing local corruption. Those crooks don't want all those damning revelations recorded on video for the world to see. Okay, and here's a quote from Deckel's prosecution principles. We have held that when the state suppresses or fails to disclose material exculpatory evidence, the good or bad faith of the prosecution is irrelevant. A due process violation occurs whenever such evidence is withheld. Illinois versus Fisher. Okay, then it gives the reference there. And then here's a quote from Psalms 82, 2-3. How long will ye judge unjustly and accept the persons of the wicked? Defend the poor and the fatherless, do justice to the afflicted and the needy. Okay? So, you have this, what can you do? Well, you can easily right-click it and save the image to your computer, send it off in an email. Okay? Send it off to, maybe you want to send it to, look up where the Chamber of Commerce is in Glenwood. They have all the listings of all the different businesses. Maybe you want to send a copy to all the businesses in the county. All right? So they can see that their tax dollars are supporting a kangaroo court. Okay? And they're maliciously prosecuting innocent people. All right? Thank you for your time. Please feel free to copy Lion News issue number 5 and distribute it to whomever you desire. Thank you. Bye.
like that one? No, I am cute.
You know
See?
what? Come on in.
Yeah, I am going to come down in.
You know, in fact,
Oh, no, which one is it now?
Let's go outside.
Am I going inside or are we going outside? What are we going to do now? See, I got witnesses
you
here.
Do this in the hallway?
Yeah, let's do it in the hallway. I'm going to take my complaint right here. No, see, I need some witnesses here. I'm being harassed by this asshole here.